Hey guys, welcome back to Macintosh Weekly. And today in this video I'm gonna show. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. To install Python on your Mac, open your favorite browser and go to the following URL. After navigating to the download section, click on this download Python, followed by the version. Keep in mind that the version may be newer than shown. After the installer package is downloaded, double-click or right-click, then choose Open the downloaded Python installer package to launch the installer wizard. After the Python installer appears, proceed with the installer. After the installation is done, the wizard will inform you that your Python installation has been completed successfully, and a Python folder will be created in your applications folder. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.